Tip number 2. So people always come to me and they say, hey, I keep my bookkeeping with my accounting records on Excel behind my napkin, and I want to start keeping better records on my properties. And they come to me asking me for suggestions on what are the good accounting softwares for real estate investors. You have QuickBooks, you have Zero, you have Yardi, you have Buildia. And what I tell people is that not unless you're doing huge multi-family properties or huge commercial properties, you really don't need any of the more sophisticated accounting real estate softwares. So what is a sophisticated accounting software? Those are like QRD, Buildium. Those are the more complex accounting software. And if you have a single family house, if you have an Airbnb, if you have a duplex, a triplex, even a 20-unit property, a 30-unit property, you really don't need that kind of a complex tax software. I often just tell people that I recommend QuickBooks Online. And why do I like QuickBooks Online? Because it's very affordable, right? QuickBooks Online, you just pay a monthly fee. They have a very affordable monthly fee, and if it's something that you're interested in, we can actually get you a discounted price. If you sign up through us, just reach out to me. I believe we can get you guys a 30% discount on our whatever is the price right now on QuickBooks. But anyway, what I like about QuickBooks is that it is very affordable, very user friendly. Okay, it's user friendly. Learn it just by reading articles online. Books into it does a great job of producing a lot of tutorial style videos on YouTube, so you can go check that thing out. It's easy to understand. Okay, it's easy to learn how to use. Other options are Zero. I know that people use Zero as well. That's spelled Xero. Me personally, I've been doing tax and accounting since 2013, and I grew up using QuickBooks. Remember, when I first started in accounting and tax back in the Stone Ages, back in 2013, most of the firms were still using QuickBooks Desktop. Then I remember things started to transition to the cloud when QuickBooks Online started to become popular. Like about QuickBooks Online, why I recommend this particular product compared to QuickBooks Desktop to real estate investors and also other entrepreneurs is that you can connect your QuickBooks Online to your online banking. So why is this important? This is important because then you can have your banking transactions automatically flow through your QuickBooks, so you don't have to manually input the transactions every single month, which saves everybody a lot of time. So if you want to learn more, go check out Books Online. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please don't be scared to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and book a time for our team to connect with you. I really look forward in connecting and learning more about you and your real estate goals. All right. Remember, taxes is not a once a year task that you should dread. Rather, we believe that taxes is something to be excited about, but only you can be proactive about your taxes. But we are here every step of the way. I will see you at the next video.